Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core in a session October-November 2022 Paper 1-2. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1 Part A. Write the number 80,080 in figures. So 80,080. Right. Part B. Write down the value of 4 in the number 6. This would be 4 is over here. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this is 40,000. Question number 2. Find the value of square root of 53.29. Square root 53.29. This is 7.3. Question number 3. A football team has 16 players at a training session. Kim recorded the color of each of their shirts. Complete the frequency table. You may use the tally column to help you. So we have color, tally, and frequency. Number 1 is blue. So how many blue? 1. Silver, green, green, silver, silver, red, silver, green, red, silver, another silver, blue, green, white, and blue. Okay, how many? Blue are 3, green 4, red 2, silver 6, and white 1. All right. Question number 4. Complete the net of this cuboid on a 1 centimeter square grid. One face has been drawn for you. So the face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2. Okay, 5, 2 is drawn for us. So this side is 5, this is 2. So let's say the top is already done. So now we have to make the rest of the sides. So the top is done. If we can make this side, this is 5 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point, the front side, the top side, this is the front side, and the bottom side is again 5, 2. So this is 5, 2, and the back side is 5, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 here. Okay, and we are left with the left and the right side, which is 4, 2. So 4, 2, we can draw 4, 2 over here. 4, 2, 2 is this, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me complete the net now. Okay. Okay, so this is a complete net for the given cuboid. Question number 5. Draw all the lines of symmetry on this shape. So the line of symmetry, if I draw this line, both the sides are identical. If I draw this line, both the sides are identical. So there are 2 lines of symmetries, the vertical one and the horizontal one. All right. Question number 6. Put one pair of bracket in each statement to make it correct. Number A. So if I put the bracket on the first 2 numbers, 10 minus 4 divides 2 plus 18. So this is 21. So the bracket is on the first 2. Okay, let me try for number B. The first 2, 7 times 3 plus 1 plus 2. It's 24, not 30. Bracket on 3 and 1. 7 times bracket 3 plus 1 bracket plus 2. This is 30. So bracket on 3 and plus 1. Question number 7. The diagram shows an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle having two sides and two angles are same. Find the value of x. So these two sides are same. These two angles are same. If this angle is 34, this is also 34 degrees. And sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. So we can say x degree plus 34 degrees plus 34 degrees equals to 180. Okay, now we have 34 plus 34, which is 68. So x degree is 180 minus 68. 180 minus 68 is 112. So this is 112 degrees. Question number 8, part A, simplify. So let me combine the A terms, 6A minus 2A, and the B terms, plus 3B minus 5B. So 6 minus 2, which is 4A, and 3 minus 5 is minus 2B. Part B, S is given. Find the value of S when T is 6 and A is 3. So S is equals to 5 times 6 plus 1 by 2. A is 3 times T square, 6 square. 5 times 6 is 30 plus we have 3 times 6 divided by 2, which is 54, plus 30 is 84. S value is 84. Question number 9, part A, workout. 6 plus 4 is 10, and minus 3 plus minus 5, this is negative 8. 6 times 3 is 18, and 6 times minus 2 is minus 12. Question number 10. Without using a calculator, work out the fraction. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. Alright. We have to make the same denominator, 5 over 9. The common denominator of 9 and 6 is 18. 9 times 2 makes 18. And 6 times 3 is 18. Alright. 5 times 2 is 10 over 18. Minus 1 times 3 is 3 over 18. And when we do 7, this is 10 minus 3 is 7 over 18. So 7 over 18 is the simplified answer. Okay. Question number 11. A four-sided dice is numbered 1 to 4. The table shows some of the probabilities of scoring each number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the probabilities. Complete the table. We know that sum of all probabilities should be equals to 1. So when we add 0.17 plus, let's say x is the probability for 2, plus 0.28 plus 0.31, this should be equals to 1. So what is x? X is 1 subtract 0.17 plus 0.28 plus 0.31. This is 0.76. Okay, 1 minus answer is 0.24. So it's 0.24. The probability for number 2 is 0.24. Question number 12, part A. These are first 5 terms of a sequence. Find the next 2 terms of the sequence. Okay. So 27, 26, 23, 18, and 11. All right. Let me find out the difference between the terms. In 27, if we subtract 1, we will get 26. Okay. And from 26 subtracting 3, we will get 23. And 23 minus 5 is 18. And 18 minus 7 is 11. So subtracting odd number each time, it means, right, 1, 3, 5, 7, and then 9 and 11. So we have to subtract 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. So the next is 2. We have to subtract 9. And the next odd number after 9 is 11. So 2 minus 11 is minus 9. Negative 9, we are subtracting 11. All right. Part B, these are the first 5 terms of a different sequence. Find the nth term. All right. Find out the difference between the term, the difference in 3 and 10. 3 plus 7 makes 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 7 is 24. 24 plus 7 is 31, right? So adding 7 each time. So we are doing 7n, right? Okay, 7 times 1 is 7, but the first term is 3. So 7 minus what makes 3? 7 minus 4 makes 3. Right, let me check for the rest of the terms. 7 times 2 and minus 4, this makes 10. And then 7 times 3 minus 4 is 17. 7 times 4 minus 4 is 24. 7 times 5 minus 4 is 31. Okay. Question number 13. Darley records the number of hours in a week 8 people spend exercising. Part A, find the median. For the median, we have to arrange the data from lower to higher, and then we have to pick the middle term. Okay, so the lowest term is 1.5, and then we have 2, 2, and then 3, and then 4, 4.5, 5, and the highest is 18. Right, so let me pick the middle one. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. There are 2 middle terms. So what we have to do, we need to find the average for median. So we need to do 3 plus 4 divided by 2. So that is 7 by 2, which is 3.5 hours is the median. All right, now for part B, explain why the mean may not be suitable average to use. Okay, so mean is not the suitable average because as you can see, all the values are closer to each other, 1.5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4.55, but we have one value is the extreme, right? Because 18 is the extreme value of the data. Question number 14, calculate number A. So first we need to do 1.2 whole cube and then times by 2000, which is 3456. Number B, we have to do 8 times 2, which is 16, plus 1 makes 17. So 17 over 18, sorry, 8 times 6 over 17. So 17 is cancelled with 17, 6 by 8, which is 3 by 4. Okay. Now for part C, cos 30 degree times 4.5 divides square root of 3 minus 2 is 1 by 4. Question number 15. Jenna buys 2.4 meter of ribbon and 4.8 meters of fabric. Ribbon and fabric. The total cost is $33.48. The ribbon cost is $85 per meter. This is a cost of ribbon per meter. Find the cost of 1 meter of fabric. So we have given that 24 meters of ribbon plus 48 meter of fabric. This cost is 33.48. Right? So we have given the ribbon cost per meter is 0.85. So 2.4 times 0.85. 1 meter is 0.85. What is 2.4 meters, right? Now for fabric, we can say F times 4.8 is 33.48. So for fabric, we can say 33.48 minus the sum product of this 2.4 times 0.85, which is 2.4 times 0.85, 2.04, and then divided by 4.8. Okay, 33.48, subtract answer, divided by 4.8. This is 6.55. So the cost of 1 meter of fabric is 6.55, $6.55. All right. Question number 16, part A. Expand x into x plus 8, which is x times x square, x times 8 is 8x. Part B, factorize completely. So we can take 3 common and a common. So we are left with 3 times 2 is 6 minus b. Yes, 3a and 2 minus b. Part C, we have to solve and you need to find the value for x. Okay, combining the like terms, 5x minus x equals to 3 plus 6. So this is 4x and this is 9 and x is 9 by 4. You can use 9 by 4 or 2.25. Both are correct. Question number 17, part A. The universal set is people in a group. B is people who own a bicycle. C, people who own a car. There are 120 people in a group. So total are 120. 21 people own a bicycle. So the total bicycle is 21. Right, 15 people own both a bicycle and a car. 15 are own both, so both is 15, and we know that the bicycle are 21, so we can say 21 minus 15, this is 6. All right, 35 people do not own a bicycle and do not own a car. Okay, 35 people are outside, and we know that the total is 120. So 6 plus 15 plus 35 and 120, take away answer. This is 64. So we can say 64 people are over here. Part 1 we have done. Complete the Venn diagram. Now for part B, a person from the group is chosen at random. So total are 120. Find the probability that this person owns a car. So for car, 15 plus 64. The total people who own a car are 15 plus 64, dividing by 120 people, right? 15 plus 64 is 79 over 120. All right. Now for part B, shade the region D union E. Okay, so for the union, you have to shade everything. The whole set D, their intersection, and the set E. All right. Question number 18. The right-angled triangular prism has height 6 centimeters, width W centimeter, and length 18 centimeter. The volume of a prism is 810 centimeter cube. Find the value of W. So we know that the volume of a prism is area of cross-section times the length. Right, volume is 810, which is equals to area of a cross section is area of a triangle, which is half base times height, 6 times W, times the length is 18. Right, now we have to solve for W. So we can say 810 equals to 6 times 18 divided by 2 and times by W, the width. 6 times 18 divided by 2 is 854 times W. So 810 over 54. This is the width. 810 divides 54, which is 15. So 15 centimeter is the width. Question number 19. A survey of 1,200 people. In a survey of 1,200 people, 150 people are left-handed. Right, 150 are left-handed out of 1,200. Work out the expected number of left-handed people in a town with 56,000 people. So times by 56,000. All right, 150 divides 1,200 and times by 56,000. Which is 7,000 people are left-handed. Okay. Question number 20, part A. Find the value of x. Okay, so 5 power 8 over 5 power x equals to 5 power 2, right? So we can compare the powers. The next step is 5 power 8 minus x equals to 5 power 2. So comparing the powers, 8 minus x would be equals to 2. So 8 minus 2, this is x, which is equals to 6. Part B, x power 5 power 3. 5 times 3 is 15. X power is 15. 5 plus 5 plus 5 makes 15. Question number 21. ABC is a right angle triangle. Calculate BC. Let's say BC is x. We have angle is given. So this is opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. So we use a ratio for cos. Right angle triangle, we can use primary trigonometric ratio. Cos of 42 degree is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is x over 18 centimeters. So what is x? X is 18 times cos 42. All right. In degrees, so cos 42 times of 18, this is 13.38. We can calculate it. 13.38 up to 2 decimal place. Yes. So that's the last question of our paper. If you have any queries, please let me know in a comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care.